Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm a librarian here in McAllen Public Library, and this is not how I'm supposed to start this, so I'm gonna do it all over again. Are you looking for an authentic Latinx story about immigration from the perspective of a woman? Well, look no more. Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm a librarian here in McAllen Public Library, and today I'd like to bring you eAudio Book of the Day number 20. Has it been 20 books already? Are you guys sick of me yet? Well, too bad. I am still here and I will be continuing to bring you awesome books that I've read and loved. So, this book is Dominicana by Angie Cruz, and it is a story based off her mother and her mother's immigration from Dominican Republic to the United States. The audiobook is narrated by Coral Pena, and she does an amazing job to bring this book alive with her voice. Especially for someone like me, where Spanish is not my native language, and it was really beautiful to listen to. I highly recommend the audiobook. So it's mid-1960s, and Juan Ruiz and his brothers are well known in town in the Dominican Republic for being honest, hardworking, and very ambitious. The brothers are aspiring businessmen, and they often travel to New York to work and make money. When Juan Ruiz sets his eyes on young Ana, her mother notices right away and does everything in her power to get those two married. She tells Ana, if you get married to him, you will be able to go to New York, you can make money, you can send us money, and you can eventually get the rest of the family into the United States. So when Ana turned 15, she marries Juan, who is now 32, and moves to Washington Heights, New York City, and they live happily ever after. Ana moves to New York City. She has no friends, no family, no way to communicate with anyone else except her husband. She lives with Juan in a very small apartment with his brother. She's told not to trust anyone else, that she can't speak with anyone else. She's lonely, she's trapped, she has nowhere to go, and she has no support. Now, there are parts that are really difficult to read. There is domestic violence and abuse, but it's more about Ana's strength and the strength of many immigrant women who endure, sacrifice, and survive for the sake of their family. And that love is not always written in the stars, and that falling in love is a privilege many immigrants could not afford. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week for eAudio Book of the Day number 21. Like, comment, follow, subscribe. Bye.